Hello, and welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to claim a MegaPass Password Manager free 2-year subscription without a credit card. First, open your favorite search engine and search for Mega. Visit the official website at mega.io. Once you are on the official website, head over to Products, and there choose Password Manager. On the next page, you will see an ongoing promotion that says, World Password Day offer ends May 10th. Basically, they are offering a MegaPass Password Manager subscription for 2 years, absolutely free. Click on Get MegaPass Free and then follow the instructions carefully. You can use your existing account, or you can create a new account using your email. For this video, I'm going to create a new account. Enter your name, email, and set a strong password for your account, then complete the sign-up process. Next, verify your email address. Now at this point, enter your account password again to confirm your account. After that, you can import your passwords from your existing password manager and also follow the guide to install the extension on your browser. But for now, let's skip the setup. Now, if you want to check your subscription status, go to Settings and then click on Open Account Settings. Once you are on the account settings page, go to Plans, and there you will see your subscription status. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.